Jatend piny William RUTO dok ne okang' mare mar gero udi manengogi oyueyo kolero ni ma en okang' mar reso midhiero mar nok mar udi mag dak. RUTO ma loso KCC e kinde romo mar lalruok e wi bero bombe mag Afrika oseyo jotelo maseyo chenro mag gero udigo. Owacho ni chenro no ok bi chung' nyaka lek margi chop kare.
In Kenya, we decided that we are going to mobilize resources locally. The houses we have built, we have not borrowed money from the World Bank. We have not borrowed money from anywhere. We built these houses using our own resources. So, we are going to stop this housing because we are protecting the pay slips of people. Such pedestrian talk. How you want to stop such transformation is mind-boggling.
This country, a small country in the eastern coast of Africa, with little or no natural resources, has yet again shown the way on how to move from talk to action.
This forum lies in its ability to provide a unique platform for political leadership, for policy dialogue and partnership, shaping Africa's urban future.
Africa's future is urban. Housing is at the front line of climate adaptation. But opportunities of that urban future should continuously be unlocked.
Prario koda bedo dakika mabeno sekalo tok sa achiel mar otieno magi weche manyien mag ang'ich welo. Erokamano ahinya Evans wacho neno maler ka entiere Kadongo ikwedo monje mar Osotsi. Machielo wacho ni lietane ni maler kabisa.